excited to sign an agreement with the Lebanese Society of Dermatology. It is an amazing opportunity to spread knowledge, bridge gap, and improve training with courses. And beyond that, between MEIDAM Association and the Lebanese Society of Dermatology, we are so proud of the new board and what they have as agenda for the future, and we hope we are going to do amazing things together.
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. We are really honored and pleased to join the big MEIDAM family, and I'm sure that this will take dermatology to the next level in this region. So we are very proud to collaborate with our brothers dermatologists in the Arab world.
Thank you, Dr. Micheline. Really, it's a pleasure and honor, and would like to thank Dr. Micheline, Dr. Rami for they have this vision and sharing with us this vision where we are bridging gap between different dermatological society in the Middle East, and also we are looking to do a lot of educational activities and also to improve the quality of the programs for the pre-graduate, postgraduate, and even for our residents. So thank you very much, Dr. Micheline. And today also we have the pleasure to sign the Memorandum of Understanding between the MEIDAM Association and the Lebanese Dermatology Society in the presence of Dr. Micheline, the President, and Dr. Rami Al-Fadi, the board member of the Lebanese Dermatology Society.